Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay for Robux with Cashapp in 2023. Of course, Roblox, which is the platform that offers Robux, does not directly support payments through Cashapp. However, we are going to use another website in this video or other two websites, which is PayPal and Paxful. So make sure to stick by and follow the steps tutorials one by one, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, go to this URL section, type Robux or Roblox, and hit the enter button. And here, make sure to go to the first link, or you can simply type roblox.com as you can see from here. So once you are here, just go and create your account if you don't have an account. If you have an account, just click on login, and here make sure to go and log in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here. As you can see, if you go to the top right corner and click on this Robux, as you can see, we have 0. So if you click on buy Robux here, and as an example, I'm just going to select this with $10. So as you can see here, we have other options. We have a lot of options. We have credit card, debit card, PayPal, redeem Robux card. If you click on other, as an example, just to check, and let's just wait a bit for this. As you can see, all you can pay with is PayPal and Amazon Pay. That's all you have. So we don't have Cash App here. So first, we will have to go and start by sending money from our Cash App to PayPal, then just coming back here and paying with your PayPal. So simply, I'm just going to open a new tab, and simply I'm just going to type Paxful.com and hit the enter button. Once you are here, of course, if it's your first time, you will be logged in, or you will find yourself at the home screen. So if you have an account, make sure to log in into it. But if you don't have an account, just go and create your account. Once you created your account, make sure to verify your phone number and email address so everything will be set up and you will be able to trade or to use this website. And of course, make sure even to enable this 2FA or two-factor authentication, because it's a secure or a great way to secure your accounts. Once you're done with everything and you have, of course, you can go and check if you have your money in your Cash App ready. So if you don't have it, you can go and simply click on, go to your Cash App and log in into your account and simply go and get your money from your debit card or bank account or whatever you have. Once you have everything ready, you can simply go to this left or to this top panel and click on this drop down menu on buy, and make sure to go and buy whatever suits you. As an example, I'm just going to choose USDT because it has a lot of buyers and sellers. Here, we're just going to choose the pay via. So we are going to pay with our Cash App to receive money on PayPal, right? So simply, I'm just going to type here, I'm just going to pay with my Cash App. So simply type Cash App here. The currency, of course, will be USD, and the offer location, make sure to select worldwide, then click on find offers. Here, make sure to go and check for whatever buyer that you want. So there is, of course, depending on the price, on the minimum and maximum purchases, on the trade speed, and if they are verified, if you have a good amount of positive feedbacks compared to the negative feedbacks, and of course if they require anything for this trade. So an example, let's say that you like this trader, so simply click on buy, and here you will have to go and enter the amount on USD that you would like to pay with your Cash App. So as an example, or to send from Cash App to your PayPal. As an example, it's just $10 for us that you would like to pay for Robux, as we said here. But of course, you can go and send more if you want to. So, of course, as I said before, every trader has a minimum and maximum purchases. So this one, at least you will have to go and buy 300. And just keep in mind that there is some fees while selling. Buying at the moment, it's just a 1%. So as an example, if you're buying 300, you will have to pay a 1%, which is a $3 or a 3 USD. So you can see once you filled this will be automatically filled. As you can see, that's what you're going to receive with USDT. And here you will have to verify your email address and phone number, as we said before, so you'll be able to buy from this buyer. And once you do so, once you verify everything, if it isn't verified, you can click on start verification. And once everything is verified, this example here, you will have to simply go and verify your things, and it will be good to go. So once your things are verified, you'll find the bind option here. Click on it, and you'll be able to contact this the buyer. So here, of course, he will send you where you will have to send the money, and go and send him your Cash App money, and you receive your USDT in your account on Paxful. Once you have your USDT here, of course, you can simply go now to sell and click on this drop down menu. And we are going to sell USDT since we bought the USDT. Of course, for you, whatever you bought, you can simply go and sell it. So for me, I'm just going to type USDT. And here we would like to get paid via PayPal. So of course, some of you will ask why I'm doing all of that, because PayPal and Cash App does not directly support the payment. So PayPal does not directly support any payment through Cash App. So, but of course, please note that the platforms may and payment options can change over time. So maybe if you're seeing this video like from 3 months from now or a year from now, maybe the things will change and this will be available at the moment. But for us, this is our only option. So here, as we said, we'll have to go and choose PayPal that we would like to get the money from. So let's say we have already USDT now. We'll have to choose Hey PayPal and choose here USD, and here go for worldwide, then click on find offers. Once you're here, as again, look for verified users. If you didn't find verified, you can go and check for people who has the highest amount of positive feedbacks. Then look for whatever suits you. Again, depending on the price, depending on trade speed, the minimum, maximum sell, if they are verified, if they have a good amount of positive feedbacks, if they require anything else. So as an example, let's say we like this one, so simply click on sell. So once you click on sell, you will be prompted to the same page kind of. So here you'll have to go and enter the amount of USDT that you have. As an example, we bought like 250, just say. And as you can see, you'll have to go and pay a 1% fees. And so if you want to pay or you want to sell this amount, you'll need a 2.5 extra USDT so you can pay, or you can simply go and lower it from here. So as an example, 2.5 is going to be like maybe something like that, 7 or 7.5 as an example, and of course which is what you bought as an example. And here, once you enter whatever amount you want, as you can see, you will see here the amount of the money that you will receive on your PayPal. So once you verify your email address and phone number, again, you will find the sell option, click on it, and you'll have to provide them with your PayPal account, and you will find your money in your PayPal account, and you will be good to go. Once you've done this, you will be normally good to go. So you'll have to close this and come back here, go again, click on buy Robux, and here choose whatever suits you. As an example, I'm just going to choose this, and here click on PayPal. And as you can see, you'll have to simply go and log in into your PayPal account on this pop out. And of course, once you're logged in into your PayPal account, you will be simply paying it and you will have your Robux. You can even add money, like as an example, for your PayPal from your debit card or credit card or prepaid card as an example, and you'll be good to go. So of course, click on pay now once you're logged in into your account, and you'll be good to go, as we said. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully learned how to send money or how to buy Robux from your Cash App in 2023. Of course, it's convenient and secure way to add your funds to Robux account through this way. Don't worry, but make sure to proceed with caution and comply with the terms and conditions of every website that you use. And of course, now you can enjoy the various offering within the Roblox platforms. And if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for our channels for more tutorials like this one. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.